welcome back to the Review Garage, your ultimate destination for the latest news, reviews, and deep dives into the world of high-performance cars. If you're into raw power, cutting-edge design, and next-gen innovation on four wheels, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Today, we're talking about a car that's been buzzing in the supercar world. Something that takes Lamborghini's legacy and launches it into the future. The 2026 Lamborghini Temerario has been officially unveiled, and let's just say, it's a statement. A bold, aggressive, no-compromise machine that refuses to be subtle. Now, the name Temerario means reckless or bold in Italian, and, trust us, that's no coincidence. This is not just another mid-cycle refresh or a slight tweak in the lineup. Lamborghini is making it very clear. The Temerario is the next generation of the Raging Bull. Let's start with the design. This thing looks like it's been carved by the wind at 200 miles per hour. The body is sharper, lower, and wider than its predecessor, and the aerodynamic focus is unmistakable. It has a sleek front profile with angular LED headlights, inspired by fighter jets and stealth technology. Around back, a massive active rear wing and quad exhausts hint at the brutal performance underneath. Lamborghini calls this design language V-Hour precision, and it really shows. Every line, every vent, every edge has a purpose. And while it still screams Lamborghini, there's something entirely futuristic about it. The Temerario isn't just evolving, it's breaking new ground. Now under the hood, or should we say, mid-rit, gets even more exciting. The Temerario is powered by a new hybrid V8 powertrain. Yes, Lamborghini is diving deeper into electrification, but don't panic. This is still a fire-breathing monster. The 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 is paired with 3 electric motors for a combined output of over 900 horsepower. That means a 0 to 60 time of under 2.5 seconds, and a top speed pushing 217 miles per hour. The electric motors don't just boost acceleration, they play a crucial role in torque vectoring, regenerative braking, and even silent city driving. If you can imagine taking a Lamborghini through a quiet neighborhood, inside the Temerario is a whole new world. The cockpit is pure spaceship. A fully digital, customizable dashboard gives drivers real-time performance stats, track data, and navigation, all in a sleek HUD-style layout. There's also an emphasis on sustainability, with options for recycled carbon fiber, Alcantara alternatives, and even vegan leather. It's a big leap for a brand that's always been about excess. But don't worry, it's still a driver's car at heart. The drive modes have been expanded, including a new Corsa Plus track mode that adjusts suspension, aerodynamics, and battery deployment for optimal lap times. You also get Lamborghini's updated LDVI 2.0 system, the brand's AI-based brain that continuously monitors road conditions and driver inputs to deliver razor-sharp control. Lamborghini is clearly targeting more than just raw power. The Temerario represents a shift toward performance with purpose, efficiency without compromise. It's the future of supercars. But it hasn't forgotten where it came from. Pricing hasn't been confirmed yet, but expected to start north of $400,000. And with production expected to be limited, exclusivity is guaranteed. The 2026 Lamborghini Temerario isn't just a core, it's a turning point. A sign that the Raging Bull is charging headfirst into the electrified era, without losing the soul that made it iconic. That's all for this episode of the Review Garage. What do you think of the Temerario? Are you excited for Lamborghini's hybrid future, or do you miss the pure V12 era? Let us know in the comments below. Be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our upcoming first drive review. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.